Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. First, open your favorite browser and go to hacktheranks.com.
Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls, I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault.
As you can see on this webpage, you will find many mobile games. Search your game and go to next step.
When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just
Select the amount of resources and click the continue button.
Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be
Insert all necessary details and click the generate button. Give the generator a moment to finish the task. The last step is a simple verification process. Just complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this process.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument?
Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.